Hello friends, Jessica here with Creators Couture with my second brush maxing video where I share with you a new multicolor Photoshop brush. And this is a great place for me to share my one-off brushes that are a little crazy, a little wild, and share with you brushes that are doing the most, doing the max, and we are doing the least. So for this second brush drop that I'm sharing with you guys, I am sharing with you a really cool texture brush. And like my first brush, I was playing around with the bristle brush engine, which has been really fun and crazy, but I will show it to you right now. And also I might note that on my last brush, this was also using the bristle brush engine. I specified that you needed to use your mouse or a cursor and not like a pen tablet. This one was built specifically for a pen. Um, so if you are using a mouse, I will give you a tip after showing you the brush. So this is the brush that I created, and I love it. Just has like a lot of hatch texture. I really love how it turned out. I sampled some colors from some pears because I did a little pear study here, but this would really shine as well if you have like some of these really multicolor palettes where you've got a lot of colors coming out. Look how that mixes it. It is just gorgeous. And again, like I said before, if you are to encourage people to subscribe with a notification bell, I will have this brush as a free download for a little bit limited time. And then if you are one of my Behance subscribers, you can download the whole toolkit with the palettes and the other brushes as well and the demo file. So for this little study, I just did a pair. I just wanted to show off this brush, have some kind of reason to show it off. So what I did was I just put one of my loose watercolor brushes in actually a single color for the back, and then I layered just some of this texture on it. I sampled some colors from some pairs, so there as a multicolor palette for your brushes. Used a little brushwork dry brush here, and that was really it. So I did something like this. So I took my loose watercolor 8 and kind of laid down a soft, kind of shape. And then I made a new layer above it. And then I took that Brush Max brush and kind of laid in some colors here. And I could get even like some of the darker ones and just have a little fun with that texture sort of effect. So this is a super fun brush. It doesn't necessarily fit into one of my collections, so that's why I wanted to do that. But just share with you guys, let you, remind you of the power of Photoshop brushes. And we don't have to be like the olden days and be doing all these little, um, crosshatch and everything by hand. We can have this fun brush where we still control it. It's not AI, it's human made, but have some fun. So that is pretty much it. Downloads down below. If you have a question, just let me know. And otherwise, make sure that you're subscribed with a notification bell because, especially in the future, to encourage people to watch my longer form videos, I'm going to have special downloads, but they will be a limited time only. So I will see you guys on the next video.